Hey everyone, it's Pete with KNIPEX Tools, and today's tool tip is this little tool right here. This is control cabinet keys. There's a bunch of different profiles on here: triangle, wings, square. We're going to show you up close what these do. Check it out. All right, at one point in a job site, you're going to run into one of these little configurations here. These are control cabinet key locks. So you're either going to run into something such as a square, a triangle, or the wings. Well, we have a tool for that. This is the control cabinet key, and this has some of the most common profiles on this little key. I've got the square, I've got wings, I've got triangle, but I also have a little handy screwdriver. All I have to do is match up the point that I want. So this side is slotted, this side is Phillip. Insert that into here, find the square one that it fits into, and now I have a little handy portable screwdriver. So extremely handy on the job site, great for electrical panels or water spigots or anything else that has one of these little lock profiles on it. Control cabinet keys.